Hello and welcome to FIXtastic Contents. If you're getting no sound from your PlayStation 4 to your TV, so for example, you're streaming or you're playing games or you're watching something on YouTube, I will give you 3 solutions how to fix this problem. Let's start with solution 1. In settings, go to devices. Now select audio devices, output devices. Ensure your output type is TV or AV amplifier. Solution 2, go to settings again and select audio format. Change from linear PCM to bitstream direct. The last solution, solution 3, on your TV, on your smart TV, I want you to reset TV settings. So apply a factory reset and let me know how you get on. If any of these 3 solutions has helped you, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.